Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a tool you probably use every day, but maybe not in the ways we're about to explore. I'm talking about Google Maps and Google Earth. Beyond just getting you from point A to point B, these platforms are an incredible sandbox for creativity, exploration, and even storytelling. So, if you're a creator, a dreamer, or just someone with a curious mind, stick around. We're going on a virtual adventure to uncover some of the most mind-blowing and creative uses for Google Maps and Earth. First up, let's talk virtual travel. We all have a bucket list of places we want to see, but time and money can be a real hurdle. With Google Earth, the entire world is literally at your fingertips. You can fly over the majestic peaks of the Himalayas, wander through the ancient streets of Rome, or dive into the crystal-clear waters of the Great Barrier Reef, all from your desk. It's not just about looking at pictures. With Street View, you can get a 360-degree perspective, making you feel like you're actually there. This is an amazing tool for travel vloggers to plan their trips, scout locations, or even create virtual tour content for places they haven't been to yet. You can narrate a journey through Tokyo's busiest intersections, or a peaceful walk along the canals of Venice. The possibilities are endless. But what about the weird and wonderful? Google's satellites have captured some truly bizarre and mysterious things over the years. We're talking about everything from strange desert patterns that look like something from another planet, to submerged plains, and even a giant pink bunny on a mountainside in Italy. Hunting for these unusual locations has become a popular online hobby. You can create content showcasing your own discoveries. Think of it like a digital scavenger hunt. Share the coordinates, tell the story or the theory behind the oddity, and challenge your audience to find them too. It's a super engaging way to create a sense of community and shared discovery. Some of these finds are natural phenomena, some are art installations, and some are just plain unexplained. Next, let's get into the creator-focused tools. Did you know you can create your own custom maps and stories with Google's tools? Google My Maps is a fantastic feature that lets you plot out specific points of interest, draw routes, and add your own photos and descriptions. Imagine creating a custom map for your followers, like the ultimate foodie tour of New York City, or a guide to the best hidden photo spots in London. You can then share this map, embedding it on your blog or linking it in your video description. It's a powerful way to provide real, tangible value to your audience. For storytellers, Google Earth Studio is a game changer. It's a browser-based animation tool that uses Google Earth's 3D imagery to create professional-grade video content. You can create sweeping cinematic shots, fly-throughs of cities, and dramatic reveals of geographic locations. This is perfect for documentaries, educational content, or just adding that wow factor to your videos. Another incredible use is historical and personal storytelling. Google Earth has a feature that lets you view historical satellite imagery, allowing you to see how a place has changed over time. You can watch cities expand, forests disappear, or glaciers recede. This is an incredibly powerful tool for talking about environmental change or urban development. On a more personal level, you can use it to revisit your childhood home, your old school, or a memorable vacation spot, and see what it looks like now. You could create a video telling your personal story, using the map as a visual aid to jump from one significant location in your life to another. It adds a deeply personal and visual layer to your narrative that really connects with viewers. So whether you're planning your next real-life adventure, hunting for mysterious anomalies, creating valuable guides for your audience, or telling a deeply personal story, Google Maps and Earth are so much more than just a navigation app. They're a canvas for your imagination. I challenge you to open up Google Earth tonight and just start exploring. See where your curiosity takes you? You might be surprised by what you find. What's the coolest or strangest thing you've ever found on Google Maps? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more creative ideas. See you in the next one.